Hey everyone, today I'm doing unboxing of Nothing Ear A, the latest budget-friendly earbud from Nothing that carry the iconic transparent design. So I have chose the black one. It is available in three colors: the yellow, white, and black. So I have chose black one. So here you can see on the box the Nothing Ear A is written in the Nothing style. So it has these unboxing strip, and behind the box you will get some the warning and other things like scanner. It shows it supports LDAC and high-res audio. So the unboxing experience is really slick and unique. You have to basically pull this red strip and it will unbox like this. So it is different from the Apple one and Samsung one. You have to pull it by force and just pull it out. I don't know why, but I really love the this stripping unboxing method. It is simple yet it is very good. So here is the box. So in the box you will get the earphones here. Okay, we'll keep aside and we will see what's inside the box first. So in the box you will get this USB-C cable, USB-C to C cable. Here you get the extra earbuds. I will need this because I use the small ones. Okay, so let's keep this aside and let's unbox this one. Okay, so on the earbud you will see the slick transparent design. Here it is written Nothing. Here is the charging port and here is some warnings, and see how it looks. Yeah, this one looks really slick. So you can see the transparent theme here also. So I will be testing it more in future. So please let me know what other things do you want to know about the Nothing Ear A, and if you like this video, please let me know in the comment box and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day, guys.